Hello there, Cale here for Everett Chevrolet Buick GMC Cadillac Parts Department, and today we're going to make a video showing you how to use one of the great tools that GM has for us in CollisionLink. And how we're going to do this today is we're going to show you how to use CollisionLink right here. You'll start by going to www.collisionlink.com. And in just a few short, easy steps, we can go ahead and get you started. Speaking of getting started, we're going to go ahead and go up here to the top right-hand corner. And then go down here to CollisionLink Shop Enrollment. Okay, and then we're going to move on as soon as it finishes. We're going to go to CollisionLink. So you have two different ways you can go about doing this. You can do the no charge CollisionLink, which gives you all the parts availability as far as what we have in stock, and can help you make your orders. One thing that they have introduced in the last little bit is a CollisionLink Plus. It's $143 a month, and it also gives you all of our OEM catalog images, so it gives you a lot better availability as far as what you can see. You can see the same things that we see, so which that's a great thing. But for our purposes here today, we're going to go ahead and start with the no charge CollisionLink. And it's going to ask you a series of questions like what kind of estimating system or software that you have, to where it can integrate with the software. So that's going to be something that what we're doing here. CCC1 is one of our more popular used ones, so we're going to select that. And then it's going to ask you to guess how many ROs a week that you produce. So for our test purposes today, we're going to say 1 to 10. And then we're going to create a username right here. So we'll go ahead and make that. And then we're going to create a password. And then we're going to answer this question that we are the legal person responsible for the account. We're going to select that we're the owner, and I'm going to use my name. It's going to ask you to add in your email and do it twice to confirm. Then you're going to accept the terms and conditions. You will fill in your company name. Of course, most anybody watching this video ordering from us will be in the United States. Add in your address. City, state. For our intensive purposes here, we're going to use North Carolina. Zip code. Company phone number. And if you still have a fax machine, that is optional. And of course, we are in the Eastern Standard Time Zone. Now, moving right along, we got some more company information that we have to do. So for this, we're just going to select the same as the authorized individual, because there shouldn't be anything new that we have to do. Now it's going to ask you to review some information. So what you want to do through here is just look and make sure that you have your estimating software and business management system loaded in correctly, as well as your new username. Your company information appears correct, because this is what they will send to us as you were signing up. And then you want to submit that information. At this time, if you're using Google Chrome, you can also click to save your username and password. And you'll have to wait just a few moments for this to complete itself. And then it's literally that easy, guys. The registration is already complete. You have your new username and password, and at this point you can begin going here, logging in, and checking all of our great parts out that we offer here for all the GM vehicles. So check us out here on CollisionLink. If you have any issues, you feel free to call myself, Aaron, Jonathan, or Sandy, and we'll be glad to help you on the phone. The phone number is 828-322-2100. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you next time.